This is a certified pre-owned 2012 Mercedes-Benz G550. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, a heated multi-function steering wheel, a sunroof, a leather dash, a locking differential, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, a folding rear seat, cruise control, side impact airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, 3-point rear seat belts, rear seat child-proof door locks, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a HomeLink feature, and this vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. This certified Mercedes-Benz isn't your typical used car. It comes with a 1-year factory-backed limited warranty with no deductible, a 7-day 500-mile exchange privilege, and virtually every system was rigorously inspected by factory-certified technicians. Consider it with confidence. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.